I'm going to replace the crib mobile and put the fire alarm so it can tell Molly to shut the up and sleep.
No, someone replaced the crib mobile and put the fire alarm. The fire alarm will not help me sleep. The crib mobile will help me sleep. Wah! Molly, what's wrong? I think Alan Hernburger replaced the crib mobile and put the fire alarm. He did what? Oh. He will be in a lot of trouble.
After Penelope called his guardians.
Oh my God, Alan Hernburger. What is wrong with you? How dare you replace Molly's crib mobile and put the fire alarm? You know fire alarm will not help her sleep, that's it. You're grounded for 4,234,829,517 years. Room now.